Welcome to UGC NET and GATE Computer Science students. Here I'll be discussing some more problem related to data structure and algorithm. And one of the interesting question here is suppose 7 element A, B, C up to G there, then we'll be pushing such elements inside stack in reverse order. Okay, I'll tell you what is reverse order. Then stack popped 5 times and inserted into queue. Then two element from the queue deleted and again pushed back inside stack. Then again one element is popped, and then what is the popped element? That is your question. So here first they are asking to insert all 7 element inside stack in reverse order, which means A, B, C, D up to G there. For reverse order in the sense G must be inserted here, then F, then E, then D, then C, then B, then E. Okay. Now 5 elements popped from the stack and immediately insert in queue. Okay, so now if you are popping first time, A will be coming here, again popping B, B will be coming here, and C, C is coming here, and D, D is coming here, and E, E is coming here. Okay, 5 element popped and inserted in queue. Okay, usually it pointing, front is pointing here, rear is pointing here, and now top of the stack is nothing but here. Okay, so now what happened? After that, 2 elements are deleted from queue. So now top of the stack here is F. Okay, over that they are asking to delete this A and insert here, and they are asking to delete B and insert here. Okay, so now third process also over. Now they are asking to pop one element, so which means they are popping B, and what is popped element is nothing but B. B is popped element, so choice is option B. Okay, so hope you understand. Okay, I am coming to one more problem, and here it is also one of the important problem which was asked in UGC NET, which is valid heap. Okay, we know that heap can be constructed either with the help of max heap or min heap. Okay, so both possible. Okay, if any heap tree not represented either in max or min heap format, then that is not valid heap tree. Okay, now okay, so we'll be checking each and every option. 16, okay, here and less than 16 is 14, so we conclude that this is max heap. Okay, so then in that case each and every root to its child should be greater than its child. Okay, now 14 there 14 4 there less than 14, 7 there less than 14, no issue. Now 2 is less than 4, no issue, but 8 is greater than 4, it is not valid heap. Okay, so now option B, 16, 14, 10, no issue. 8, 7 is less than 14, no issue. 9, 3 less than, no issue. And 2, 4 less than 8, no issue. 1 is less than 7, no issue. Now it is proper heap tree. And if you are coming for this one, here what happened? This 7 is greater than this one, so it is not a valid heap. Now if you are coming here, what happened? 8 is greater than 4. Now this also not a valid heap. Okay, and so now choice only one heap is a valid heap, that is option B. Okay, so okay, thank you for watching.